Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload multiple files to Claude at once and use them together for analysis, research, summaries, and other tasks. One of Claude's most useful features is its ability to work with multiple documents in a single conversation. Instead of uploading files one at a time and switching between separate chats, you can provide several files together and ask Claude to compare, summarize, or analyze information across all of them. To get started, open Claude and create a new chat. Near the message box, locate the Attachment or Upload button. Click it to open your device's file browser. Next, select the files you want to upload. On most computers, you can hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking multiple files to select several documents at the same time before uploading them. After selecting your files, click Open and wait for Claude to finish uploading and processing each document. Depending on the number and size of the files, this may take a few moments. It's important to wait until all files appear in the conversation before sending your prompt. Once the files are uploaded, Claude can analyze them together. Before asking detailed questions, it's often helpful to tell Claude what each file represents, especially if the file names are not descriptive. Providing context helps Claude understand the relationship between the documents. When working with multiple files, be clear about your objective. For example, you might want Claude to compare information between documents, identify differences, combine findings into a single summary, extract key points from each file, or look for inconsistencies across the documents. If you're uploading reports, contracts, research papers, manuals, or meeting notes, explain exactly what information you're looking for. Specific instructions generally produce more accurate and organized results than broad requests. For larger projects, it can also be helpful to ask Claude to analyze the files in stages. Start with a summary of each document, then move on to comparisons, deeper analysis, or specific questions. This step-by-step approach often improves accuracy and makes the results easier to review. If one file is significantly more important than the others, mention that in your prompt. Doing so helps Claude prioritize the information that matters most to your task. Keep in mind that very large files or a large number of uploaded documents may contain substantial amounts of information. If Claude's response seems too general, narrow your request and focus on a particular topic, section, or question. Smaller, focused tasks usually generate better results. If the analysis isn't what you expected, continue the conversation with follow-up questions. Since Claude still has access to the uploaded files in that chat, you can ask it to expand on certain points, clarify findings, or revisit specific documents. By uploading multiple files together, providing clear instructions, and asking focused questions, you can use Claude to analyze large collections of information much more efficiently and uncover insights that would be difficult to find manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.